Welcome to my video on mean, median, and range for YouTube video links. What I did was I did some data collection off of YouTube, and I did the search term of mass statistics. Since this is a statistics video, I thought that was very appropriate. And I had certain criteria that I used to search for the length of these videos. Only a video that's been out there for a year, so it's a mature video. And then no shorts or no sponsored content. I wanted to try to get just purely organic for full-length videos. And I'm really just looking at the video length. That's the parameter I'm trying to measure and do the statistics on. And I did it from a variety of pages, like 1 through 10, or however many I could find, whenever they stopped. So it just wasn't all the very first high length videos and high watch videos. It's back towards the back too. So here's the data that I got from doing it. They ranged anywhere from 4 minutes up to 78 minutes. There was a few that were a little longer, but I knocked them out. They were basically courses. And then some 4 minutes is about the shortest for a regular length video. And this is a histogram over here. It shows it. It's kind of spread out. Most of them are bunched towards the shorter, less than 20 minutes. You've got some in the middle, and then one at the end of the longer video. So that kind of helps you visualize. Histograms help you visualize the data and how it's bent in different ranges. So what I want to do is calculate the mean, which is the average, is the sum of all the links divided by the number of videos. And then I want to calculate the median, which is the middle value when they're ordered. And these two numbers give us some information about the central tendency, is what it's called, of a group of numbers. And then also the range, what the maximum minus the minimum. So these can help us understand in statistics some characteristics of a group of numbers. So let's do the calculation of the mean first. So I added them up just in order, no particular order, actually doesn't matter. 13 all the way to 6, and then I got 399. There's 15 videos, so I divide by 15. So 399 divided by 15. 26.6 minutes approximately. It's a continued number, so just rounded to 0.6. So what this tells us is, we saw that histogram, the mean is pulled up or pulled to the right because of a few very long videos. So this distribution of numbers is really not well represented by the mean. So the median, the way we calculate the median is we order the numbers, the smallest to the largest. And in this case, 12 turned out to be the middle number. Since there's 15 numbers, we didn't have to average the two middle ones together. So with 15 values, an odd number, the median is the 8th value, and the 8th value is 12 minutes. So this is probably a little more reflective of what the distribution of numbers looks like. So on the median is less affected by extreme long videos and shows the typical middle length. And then the range is just the maximum minus the minimum, 38 minus 3. And I misspoke a while ago. 3 minutes was the shortest video, not 4 minutes. Now we can visualize this result on a number line. And so the blue dots represent the actual individual measurements, anywhere from 3 on up to 78. And then if we calculate the mean, it's right here. It's kind of in the middle where there's no man's land. And then there's the median, it's down here, kind of where they're all bunched together. So that's two ways of representing a group of numbers. So most videos in this case were very short, and then a few long videos increase the mean above the median, and the range shows a spread between the shortest and longest videos. So I hope it gives us a little feeling for the length of videos on YouTube. It's a good real-world example of calculating the mean and the median and the range. If you did give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll thank you for watching.